Assalamu alaikum guys. Hi everyone, how are you? It's me Farooq Khan. You are watching T&tech support. Today I'm going to show you how to open account mashreq Neo Bank, and this application I will show you how to install and how to create the account. So please watch full video so you will learn how to do that one, because if you skip the video you cannot learn and you cannot open account on your mobile. So this one will they will send you within 3 days your debit card and with checkbook. So this one really it's free, so you can open anytime anywhere. So that one I will show you how to do. So let's start my video. Okay guys, after coming mobile screen, then open apps store. Then here search box right here mashreq bank. Then search. Then here you can see this the application, so click on get. Then put your fingerprint to give allow. Then click download. So wait for the downloading the application. So after download application, then so guys, here you can see just click on open. Allow. Then here you have to click on apply for an account. So guys, here open account, click on here. Then here you have to provide which number is active. So I will provide the number now. So guys, here if you put the number, don't put the 0, start from 5, then the number. Then here you have to put your email address. Guys, after fill up the email address, then after you have to go down. Then here you have to click right click right, and then here you have to put, you can see here I put the first one is first word is capital letter, so you have to put all of them small letter. Then click on next. Then wait for the OTP. So I will go on message, then I will copy the OTP. So this is the OTP here, you can see. Now I will make copy this, then go back in the application, then I paste already. So first, now here you can see my Emirates ID will be upload now. So take photo, okay. Then here you can see the Emirates ID will be scanned now. Then I will just take picture. After take picture, use. Then Emirates ID back side, take picture. Then again same way you make take picture, but be careful, make a clear picture please. So after click next. So once you click next, you can see here is automatically fill up the all the details. So here in the box here you have to put the name. The name, full name should be in same like as your passport. So you have to fill up the full name. So after that you have to click on next. So after that you have to click on this box. Then you have to make your face selfie, open camera. Then here you have to take your selfie. So if you can see here, if you say closer, make closer, then it will move. So if you will say make right, left. So after finish this, you can see, just wait please. So already take picture already. So here you have to select the that I am salaried, so that I am getting salary. So then here you have to write the salary amount. So should be 5,000. Just write minimum is 5,000. Then you are staying which place. Example here I'm put Dubai. So after that you have to put the address, that which place you are staying. Please don't put the wrong address, because if you put wrong address, when they will deliver the ATM card and then checkbook, so they cannot come to you. So after that fill up, then you have to write if you want to salary transfer, you can say yes. If you don't like, you can say no. So I will put no. Then next. So here you can see there is a new salary, new smart. So there is a option for some amount. If you want to this amount, you can deposit. So new smart, I will just select this one, select new smart account. So after select the account, then wait for that. Then here you can put I am US if you paying some tax or anything, so you can say here that I'm not paying anything. So just click on no, then next. After that, here you have to search which country you are from, which country. Example, I will just write Pakistan, because this ID from Pakistan, that whole person. Then here you have to put which Emirates you are staying. Example, Dubai. Then residential address you have to put here. And then after you have to put your country, your country address, that your home country address you have to put here. Which city you have to put here. Then country again. So work then after put go down, then here you have to fill up this two button, then after go next. So after that you have to create the username, that which username you need to open when you are going to open the application. So you have to remember this username. So when you make, please make a screenshot, so after that you will not forget. So example, this one I'll make the username now. Then here you can see I make the username, and then you have to put capital letter and then number also. So after that username, because it's look like wrong, then make a screenshot, then create a password. Then here you have to create the password. Please don't forget to make a screenshot, because if you forget, so you cannot open your application. So you have to remember always. So here after making, so you can see here already this great sign in already. So the this already account is open already. So I'll just make here, you can see here the passport, and then your NFC number, your account number. So here you can see the already it's ready the account. After that I will make this one a screenshot, so after I will not forget. So here you can see the sign in to share documents. Then here you have to put the username, that which one you provided before. Just write it on here, then click on remember username. So after that every time you don't need to put again. So after that you have to put the password, then sign in. Then click on agree and continue. Then here you have to provide that if they will process with email or SMS calls. So I will just select the two emails and SMS, because if say they will send updates, you can see here the emails and SMS. Then click on save preference, then agree. Then you'll continue with agree and continue. Then set up touch your ID. So this one your fingerprint should be same fingerprint. If you make with fingerprint, because this one I make from in iPhone, that's why. So click on agree and continue again for biometric sign in. So if other people, they cannot open. Put your fingerprint. Again you have to put your fingerprint. So it's already ready, the account almost. So after finish your fingerprint, you have to wait for little time. Then allow notification, allow. So almost ready the application. You can see already open account. So this is the dashboard of mashreq neo. Then here you have to click on, here you can see the if you're going to put your my account, example this is the my account. Here you can see my name and then my profile, then here update KYC. Then here you can see this the my details of my Emirates ID. So after you can see contact details, everything here you can see address. So if I want to change, I can change from here simply. Then my ID documents, my everything is here, so I'll just go back. Then here you can see cardless cash you can take. So this we go back to dashboard. Then here you have to share documents. Then here passport photo page. So this first page should be. Then take picture. Then wait for the open the camera. Then after you have to scan your passport copy, only front side. Then take photo. Okay, use photo. Then next. Then here you can see automatic fill up all the details. Then click next. Then search your country. After that, if you want to refer your friends, you can do. I will go back to dashboard. So here you can see the card delivery they will send, account activation. So after that you will account is active, it will show after coming the card.